Hey, it's Kyle from Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're going to be taking things easy. No installs, no nothing. As a matter of fact, we're going to go to the Andrew Dice Clay Comedy Show. Yeah! We'll just open the door and... Oh no! Cory! Thanks. Appreciate it, buddy. There we go. You know what? Forget about that. We're gonna take care of this right now because today we're installing the Westin Pro Traxx 5-step bars. Give me some skin. Before we get started, here are some of the tools that we're gonna be using. A 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, a flat screwdriver, a ratchet, a torque wrench, some pliers, and we're going to be using obviously a light so we can see up under that bad boy. Yeah. You're going to start by installing the U-nuts, no U-nuts, on the pinch weld. Next, you're going to be taking your M8 bolt, your lock washer, and your flat washer, and you're going to thread that through the bracket and into the rocker panel and the U-bolt on the pinch weld. Then we're going to do the same thing on the next bracket. We're also going to put a U-bolt on the pinch weld right here. For right now, we're only going to be leaving these brackets on finger tight because we're going to want to move it around when we mount the step. On the next bracket, we're going to be popping off that plastic cap that covers that sweet, delicious hole up. Then we're going to be threading the U-bolt through the hole. We're also going to be putting a U-bolt on the pinch weld here. This one is actually going to be mounted in the opposite direction of the last one. Then we're just going to be mounting the bracket the same way we mounted the first two. So you can rewind that back if you like, or just use your memory like an adult. Cory has such masculine forearms. Very little hair, though. Very little hair. Now we're going to be doing the same thing on our final bracket as we did on the last bracket. U-bolts, holes, pinching. It's fun. Just mounting a bracket, mounting a bracket, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Hot mounting action. From the makers of the other bracket comes the final bracket. Watch as we screw. Yeah. Me bolt? No. You bolt. Now we're going to mount the plastic covers for the brackets. This can also be done before the installation as well. Here we're going to be using the M6 bolt, 2 flat washers, and the lock nut. Next, you might want to grab a buddy to help lift this big old Westin bar up and lay it on the brackets. You're strong, Cory. Real strong. Next, you're going to take your M10 screw and your toothed lock washer and thread that through the bracket and into the threaded holes on the bottom of the step bar. Now, just finger tight for now. Depends on how big those fingers are, though. All right. Now that we've got the step in place and the bolts are loose, we're just going to be tightening them down. Look at that hot tightening action. Now that everything is loosely mounted, you're going to want to tighten all of your M8 hardware to 15 to 18 foot-pounds, your M10 to 30 to 35 foot-pounds. And that's going to do it for the installation of the Westin Pro Traxx step bar. Now, if you'd like to pick one of these bad boys up, as always, you can do so at MidwestAftermarket.com. And if you have any questions, pick up the phone and give us a call. I'm Kyle, and this is Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.